coming down on me, wind cutting like a blade, thunder rolling low and heavy, chasing me like a debt unpaid. Helmet's got a shake of warning, headlights fade in and out. Feels like the whole world's closing in, and I'm riding through the doubt. But the engine keeps on talking, a steady growl beneath the fear. Storms calling out my name, but I won't disappear. Got a storm on my back, but I'm still holding the line. Rain coming down like judgment, but this road is still mine. Every mile hits harder, but I won't turn around. Got a storm on my back and lightning in my crown. Clouds sink like a warning, shadows crawling at my heels. But I've ridden through worse darkness than anything the sky reveals. Cold hits through my leather, but the fire's in my chest. Storm can pour its whole damn heart out, I'll still never lose my breath. Wheels carving through the chaos, no shelter, nowhere to hide. If the sky wants to break me, it can try along this ride. Got a storm on my back, but I'm still holding the line. Rain coming down like judgment, but this road is still mine. Every mile is harder, but I won't turn around. Got a storm on my back and lightning in my crown. If the world goes black around me, let it fall, let it roar. I've walked through storms before this one and came out wanting more. Strength ain't born in sunlight, it's forged when skies collapse. So let the thunder test me, I won't ride off the map. Got a storm on my back, but my heart still burns bright. The sky may feel endless, but I'll outlast the night. Every mile is harder, but I'm stronger somehow. Got a storm on my back, but it won't break me down. Leather boots hitting that midnight road, wind in my hair like a story untold. Black top burns, but I don't slow down. I was made for the roar of a reckless sound. Heartbreak came, but it didn't stay long. I turned the pain into a rebel girl song. Ain't no chain gonna hold me tight. I'm the spark at the edge of a matchstick light. I don't break, I don't bend, I ride strong till the end. 'Cause I'm wild at heart, yeah, I was born to fight. Turn the engine up, let's set the world alight. I don't need permission just to play my part. Rock it loud, rock it hard, I'm wild at heart. People talk like they know my name, but they don't know a thing about the fire in my veins. Every scar is a badge I earned, every lesson is a corner turned. I walk fast and I talk real straight. If you can't keep up, better clear my way. I'm a wildfire kiss in the black of night, a little danger wrapped up in a neon light. I don't break, I don't bend, I ride strong till the end. more speed. Head up, hands tight, baby, hold on fast. Life's just a ride, so make it last. 'Cause I'm wild at heart, yeah, I was born to fight. Turn the engine up, let's set the world alight. No fear, no doubt, just a beating heart. Rock it loud, rock it hard, I'm wild at heart.
Front tire humming down the shoreline road, salt breeze hitting hard like it already knows. Palms sway slow while the gulls fly free, and the blue-green water keeps calling to me. Sunlight dripping like gold on the bay, chrome catching fire in that midday haze. Every mile feels lighter, every shadow falls behind. It's just me, the road, the ocean, and the freedom in my mind. 'Cause I'm riding along Florida's coast, where the sun shines brightest on the water the most. Waves roll easy, my heartbeat too. Sky wide open in a perfect shade of blue. Wind in my jacket, trouble getting smaller, right in the sunshine, watching it shine on the water. Passing little beach towns with their barefoot crowds, music drifting out of windows, playing soft and loud. Foot pegs vibing with the rhythm of the tide, feels like the whole state's riding beside. Bay bridges stretching like a thread of light, giving me a front row seat to paradise. Every curve feels easy, every worry slips away. The ocean's got a way of saying, breathe deep, stay. Yeah, I'm riding along Florida's coast, where the sun shines brightest on the water the most. Waves roll easy, my heartbeat too. Sky wide open in a perfect shade of blue. Wind in my jacket, trouble getting smaller, right in the sunshine, watching it shine on the water. Watching it shine on the water. Maybe it's the Gulf, maybe it's the Keys, maybe it's the way the breeze knows just what I need. Every mile ahead is a brand new start. Salt and freedom seeping straight into my heart. So I'm riding along Florida's coast, let the sun keep pouring that gold on the most. Water like diamonds, roads like dreams, life feels easy in the coastal gleam. Wind in my jacket, trouble getting smaller, right in the sunshine, watching it shine.